Yo, what's up? Into this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get jobs and how to apply jobs at TEMU. Okay, so if you guys might have known that I am a campus ambassador at TEMU, which knows that you guys get 30% off if you when you guys use my link will be excuse me, my link will be down in descriptions. And other than that, let's go ahead and show. Let me go ahead and share my screen with you guys, and I'll show you guys how to get the jobs and how to apply the jobs. Even though you have no requirement experience, you just need to have experience in customer service and a little bit knowledge of using Microsoft and Chrome, Google, of course. So let's go ahead and jump to it. So first, you're gonna want to go ahead and open a Chromebook, Chrome. Google Chrome, of course. When you're here, you're gonna have to search so basically temu.com/careers. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and click enter, click all right, temu.com/career. And then so after that, you're gonna come across of this page right here. So right here, you're gonna wanna have to have like a strong resume. I recommend you guys to have a strong resume. I already submit mine in. I already submit mine in to be a customer service specialist, but I don't think I might qualify for the job because I'm pretty sure I already have a customer service, like almost 4 month or 5 months of customer service experience, but I might as well I'll put that down for my resume. But I suggest you guys have a strong resume, like strong. I'm talking about like strong resume. Make sure you have all the small details, all details on your resume. And after that, you can just choose which career you want. So basically, right now they're looking for a customer service specialist, a customer service manager, an influencer marketing manager, and a senior bank partnership manager. So basically, what you want to do, you're just gonna click on it. You read. You're gonna be full time on site Monday through Friday in Boston, Massachusetts, and you can just read over this. What's the key job responsibility, and then basic qualification for it. As you see, most of the time you're gonna be using Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome, so it won't be that tough. Other than that, customer service specialist and customer service manager full time, and then you just click here. You look for at least have a bachelor degree or above, have a 2 years prior leadership experience. Okay, all that you guys can go through this, and if you guys ever wanted to talk to anyone, you guys can go back to the app and call and talk to them first, the customer service for TEMU within the app, and talk to them before you submit your resume. And after that, if you really want to submit your resume, you just take this email right here, down here, you send it to them. You just send your resume. Your job title will be your title should be like customer service. If you apply for customer service specialist, your job title should be customer service specialist job/job. That will be it, and the rest should be your resume. That will be it. So that comes to include all of this right here. So if you want to apply for a senior bank partnership manager, you click here. You just look for the experience required, 5-year experience in business development or partnership management. Okay, so other than that, you guys are allowed to send any email. Don't be kind of bougie about it though. If you really serious about this job, just send them your resume through this email right here. You'll be down in the description. I'll leave this link down in the description so you guys can come straight to the page where I'm seeing. And basically that will be it for the video. Drop down the comment if you guys have any questions about this, and I'll be glad to help. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.